Thank you, Harsh. So good morning, all of you. This is Sanjeev. I'm going to start a workshop with the Python from today. Okay. So first of all, I will convey one message to all of you. Just be with me and try to understand what we are going here. We are going to do so many things, and this workshop is going with level by level. Okay. So today we are start with the introductory section, and after that followed with the installation of Python and all. Okay. But just give me 2 minutes. Some person is still joining. Okay. So उनको join करने देते हैं, then we will start. Okay. So we will wait for more 2 or 3 minutes. Okay. So okay, so let's start. Okay, so Harsh, you please take care of admitting the persons. Okay, you are the co-host.
Yes, sir, sure.
Okay, Harsh.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
so thank you very much. So I'm starting with the this lecture. So first of all, I'm starting with some basic concept that we need to understand how we are and why we are going to learn the Python. So my first question to all of you, just what is why engineering? Why we are learning engineering? Any answer from your side? You can raise the hand and speak up on the mic. Why we are doing engineering? Anyone? Let's participate in this discussion. Okay, I will take only 10 to 20 minutes for this because I don't have any proper PPTs for that. So just tell me why engineering? जाहिर सी बात है, for the job. Okay, so if I talked about that, so job, we need a job. Everyone we need a job. But the problem is that how we can get the job, because in the engineering we are having only few designation, few skill set, and few things we well versed about that. Okay, we don't have any clear cut idea about what job we are going to offer that. I am having a one question. Just take 1 minute and try to think about that. You are in your engineering field and you are having some skill set you understand. You already uh, covered up in your syllabus according to your syllabus. So can you imagine or can you think? Can you try to understand that according to that skill, what kind of you are going to what is the designation is designed for you according to your skills? Just try to understand that. The problem is that we have lots of idea, we have lots of knowledge, we have lots of skills in our mind, in our engineering, but the problem is that we don't know how and where to use that and what kind of job we are going to done and what kind of job. Yes. Yep. Anyone speaking? Okay. So if we want to place in a good company, if we want to place in a good job, if we want to placed on a higher package, we need to work on something on us. That is called our skill set. Okay. For a better job, there are so many designations are there. So just tell me, according to you, what are the designation you are looking for your placement? Just tell me. There are only few designations are in your mind. One is software engineer, dev, but it's not possible. So it's not possible everyone is placed as a software engineer, and it's not possible so every engineer worked as a software tester. Okay, so if there are a few job designation in your mind, okay, so it's then only few person is going for that designation. Okay, so the major problem is that we are going to place as a fresher. Okay, so if we are going to placed as a professor as a fresher, then just tell me what are the main role, what are the main role in your job. Okay, so these are the some jobs that is we are looking for after our engineering, that is associate software engineer, senior software engineer, team leader, associate manager, senior manager, senior executive. Okay, so these are some that is called stairs and milestone for achieving our job. The problem is that what when we are freshers, so who will give us the job as an associate software engineer, and who will give us the job for the software engineer, and who will give us the job for a senior software engineer? This is not possible, quite difficult. Okay, just think about your skills, what you are learning in your engineering degree according to your syllabus. Okay, so I'm just elaborating in something. We know everything, but not in a large scale. But company know one thing in a large scale. Means आपको क्या करना है, जो भी आप अपने इंजीनियर डिग्री में सीखते हैं, आप बहुत सारी चीजें सीखते हैं, लेकिन सारी थोड़ी थोड़ी सीखते हैं, आपको सब कुछ आता है. बट द प्रॉब्लम इज दैट कंपनी को एक चीज चाहिए, लेकिन वो परफेक्ट मैनर में चाहिए. This is the gap, this is the gap between. So basically, first of all, today you need to do one task for you. Try to understand your skill, what you are having a skill, write all the skills on your paper. Okay, then try to find the designation on the Google, what kind of designation are relatable to your skills, what you are having. After that, try to understand. Okay, after that, try to understand the brush of that skill and try to set the label of that skill. Okay, so if you are working in C and C++, try to understand the job roles, try to understand what kind of jobs are available in the market according to your C and C++. If you chosen the Java as your career language, so try to understand what kind of job, what kind of designation are there, and what are the company that are hiring as you as a Java professional. Okay, so try to work on your skill. Trust me, if you don't have any proper skill in your engineering degree, and it's quite difficult to placed in a good company. Okay, so try to brush up your skill. There are two kinds of skills are there. One is soft skill, another is hard skill. Hard skill is directly linked to your what that is your technical skills. Okay, technically how much you are sound in your knowledge base. Okay, so this is all about your the skill. I'm not taking the so much time in the skill, so try to understand. Always remember that we don't know. So I'm just giving you one example. If you are looking a job posting in a newspaper, okay, suppose there is a job opening like professional technical executive. Okay, so just try to understand that what is this designation and what are the role. Is this job suitable to you? So many jobs are there, that is DevOps developers are there, that is IoT engineers are there, information technology guys are there. So what are the job role? Because we are doing the engineering, but we don't know what are the job role we are looking for. We are having only few roles and few designation in our mind. And trust me, I'm in the market. Okay, so ये बात याद रखना कि वो designation सबको नहीं मिल सकते. Okay, trust me, ये तो पक्का है. Agar if we are if I'm talking about the 2021, if there are 40,000 passed out, okay, so this is not possible to 40,000 student is just like become a software engineer. This is not possible. Okay, so always try to work on yourself. Okay, try to think about that. What are your skill set, and according to what is the level of your skill set. This is the main. Okay, if you know that what are the level of skill set, I can boost that skill set up to the upper level. Okay, you can do work on that. I will give you some tips and tricks. You can go for the suitable certification for that. Okay, you can go with me some project, that is the live project on that field, so you can become and placed in a good company. Okay, the problem is that Okay, if you don't have any idea and any level of your technical skill, trust me, you are not going to place in any company. I'm really sorry to say that. Okay, so I'm teaching you, all of you, I'm teaching from a long time, so I'm try to always give you the best. Okay, so always remember, just focus on your skills. Okay, अब जब आप अपना रिज्यूम बनाएंगे तो always remember that उसमें skills होने चाहिए, but ऐसा नहीं है कि you just written in Python. So in Python, what you know, because Python is just like a C. So what is the limitation? What are the topics you are learned in Python? You need to that topics are might be on your tips. Okay, आपको tips पे पता होना चाहिए कि Python में आपने क्या पढ़ा है. Same is for the C and same is for the C++. Okay, so अगर आप ऐसे Python लिखेंगे लेकिन आपको ये नहीं पता कि आपको Python में क्या आता है, तो this is useless for you. वो पकड़ लेगा in the interview. Okay, so it's my humble request today, try to make a list of your skills, try to make the list of the company, and try to make the roles. Okay, so role and responsibility. Next is, okay, if you are going to join as a DevOps, if you are going to join as a Python developer or a programmer or a senior executive, what are your job role? आप वहां जाके करेंगे क्या? Okay, so everyone just हमें ये सिखाया जाता है कि कंपनी में ट्रेनिंग मिलेगी. ओके, कंपनी में वो ट्रेनिंग तो देगा लेकिन ये नहीं बताएगा कभी भी कि काम करना कैसे है. वो सिर्फ ये बताएगा ऐसे ही करना है, ये मेरे रूल एंड रेगुलेशन है. But there is no any person to train you like a spoon feeding. Okay, they are just elaborating you the task. This is the task, and this is the code. You need to write the code for the same. Okay, so try to understand your role and responsibility first. If you are going to just like a software tester, then what are your role? If you are a fresher, if you are a junior software tester, and then what are your role? Okay, try to understand, make the list of all the role. Okay, go to Google and search. If you already know your role, if you already know your skill set, if you already know everything about that designation or that designation for that job, then trust me, your job is in your hand. Okay, trust me. So try to work on this. Okay, any question you can ask me, but try to work on all these things. Okay, main things we are learning about that. What are the main designation, what are the skill set required for the job, and what is the label of that skill set, and how us label ko kahan tak leke jana hai, how much you want to elaborate or enlarge that skill set. Okay, so जब आप एक लेवल पे पहुंचेंगे, then person or the company just try to find you where you are, if you are working like that as per your role and responsibility and working on for your skill set. Okay, I'm not talking about the certification of that is Coursera and all. Okay, you need to do the certification, that is international certification. Okay, if I'm talking about the Java certification, so you need to pass out your 3 paper. Okay, that is from Oracle University. You need to pass your 3 paper. First is entry level, second is intermediate level, and third paper is your professional level. Okay, so then you become the Java certified programmer. Okay, or associate program, or your junior programmer. Okay, so try to find these things. If you want to learn more about the certification and all, you can call me. Okay, and take the advice from me. Okay, so next one is these are the major job role and major area where we are working as a software engineer, development, input output, iOS development, artificial intelligence, testing and automation, web development, software development, mobile application development, research field, and database administration. These are some roles. So always try to remember that these are the total area where we need to work at. But the problem is that you need to work on that and try to understand which job is here meant to as per your skill. Okay, so these are some I'm just explaining you each and everything for that. Okay, so try to understand that everything is what artificial is depends upon, testing it depends upon, development is depends upon, mobile application depends upon, it's all depends upon the data. Okay, so this meeting is going to end in 10 minutes. Okay, so join the link on again on the same link. Okay, so Harsh, please take care of the link and all. Okay, so always remember that this is all starting from the data. Okay, so if data, everything is data, you know this, पहले बोला जाता था एवरीथिंग इज जावा, पहले बोला जाता था एवरीथिंग इज कंप्यूटर. इन दिस era everything is data. What we are doing, what we are dealing with, but we are seeing everything is data. Okay, so at first this is basically the data only. Okay, data is what I'm just telling you. Want to ask, data is the smallest unit of information, because we are spreading up the information, we are sharing the information, we are working on the information, we are doing everything on the information. So the smallest unit of information is called data. So everything is data. Data is what? I'm just giving you one example for that. 0 to 9, A to Z, capital A to Z, and all symbol. This is the data only. So try to think about that. Just like for the artificial intelligence, think about Python, think about Java. Everything is data. I'm just going to tell you where is Python in mind, not in the data. Just try to understand what is Python. The combination of letters, numbers, and the symbol. What is physics? Combination of letter, symbol, and digit. Okay, what is chemistry? Combination of letter, symbol, and digit. That's why we are the king, because we are the programmer. So we are having the clear-cut idea about data and how to process the data. Okay, in computer, what we are doing, we are giving the data as an input, we are taking the data as an output. Okay, so if we are doing that, so what we need to understand the data. Okay, so first of all, data is in a very small scale reason. Okay, but in today's era, this is basically a big data. Data is coming from in the terabyte, jottabyte per second. Okay, so we need to work on data. If we are having the proper data, we are having the proper data set, then we can train the machine. Then we can train the our IoT model. We can train our artificial intelligence model. We can train our deep learning model. We can train everything. But for doing what we need, for the machine learning what we need, so for working on this, for train the model, for train the artificial intelligence, what we need to handle the data, we need the programming language. What we can, it's your choice. We can use Python, someone using Java, someone using Perl. So everyone is using different of language. But why we are using the language? Just focus on these three things. We need to work with the big data, and for handling the big data, and for training the machine model, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, everything is depends upon data. So for understanding the data, what we need a Python programming language. Okay, so I'm just giving you one task. Okay, everyone try to make a one task. Okay, try to give me the table of 2.38 up to 10. Try to give me the table, just like two ones are 2 equal to 2. So try to calculate the table of 2.37. Okay, just try to understand. So क्या दिखेगा? Everyone just try to understand. What do you need? You first mind में just calculator आएगा कि calculator से कर सकते हैं, mind नहीं कर पाएगा. So this is only a small task. I'm giving you, try to give me the names of 100 cars. I'm giving you one more. Try to give me the names of 100 persons that are not available in this meeting. Okay, so it's quite difficult क्योंकि उतने नाम हमें आते हैं जितने नाम हमारे यहाँ पे available हैं. So what is the main logic? What is the main rule? Data is very big. For handling the data, what we need? We need the programming language. Okay, so Python is the best programming language which deal with AI, data, big data, and sorting of data, handling of data, for training the model. Okay, everywhere we can use the Python. Okay, so this is the top 10 data science programming language by Henderson Job at, which is language is mentioned. मतलब जो भी job आई है 2021 तक in the market, 90.4% share of the Python only in the software industry. If I'm talking about, okay, so it's the biggest share. If you are talking about the Python, so Python is the biggest share. Okay, if I talking about the R language, it is 73.4%, SQL 58.5%, Scala 91.3%, SAS, Java, MATLAB 5, C and C++, and Peg. Okay, so these are the some data are there. So try to understand what I'm saying. So if you are going for the Python is everywhere. You can say that. Okay, so if try to understand that if the whole market, 90.4% share of the Python if in the market. So how many jobs are there? Python pay scale are there in front of your screen. You can check it, how much payment pay scales are there in the Python. Okay, so you can check with the software, senior, DevOps, data science, seniors. Okay, this is the job scale. So this is the basic salary. I've just collected the data today only. So if I'm talking about a software engineer salary, that based on the Python, if there is a software engineer based on the Python, the salaries on your screen for the senior software engineer, DevOps engineer, data scientist, and senior data scientist. So this is the salary factor according to your Python. So if you are choose a Python as your career language, so you can achieve this goal. You can jump to this salary. Okay, so next is a future of a Python. So Python is everywhere. I'm just talking about Python is in the networking, Python is the big data, Python is the artificial intelligence. So choice is your, if you are going with the Python or not, choice is you are only. Okay, so these are the top companies using the Python, that is called Netflix, Shutterstock, every companies are there. Why muted me? Just Harish.
Sir, I think someone else had done it. You continue the session, sir.
Okay, it's okay. Thank you. So these are some companies. Okay, so jitni companies ke aapne naam sune, how many name you are know in the companies, all are there. So try to understand that Python is everywhere. So if you can choose Python as your career language, trust me, you will achieve your goal. Okay, so next is why Python. So the point is that Python is a very simple language. Large community maximum you can take the spot from the large community. High demand supply ratio, large number of framework, chosen language for AI/ML, and make your own DICE. Okay, DICE means you need to create your own tool. Okay, so that's why we are using the Python. So popular language, I already told you. Let us learn Python with the workshop. So I'm going to teach you how to install the Python with the very basic. This workshop, I already told you, this workshop is going just like on a level. So I'm starting with hands-on session from the next session. Okay, join me on the same session. Okay, Harsh, please activate the link again.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So thank you very much. Any question? Any help and guidance, you can contact me on my number and my mobile. Okay, everything is there on your screen. So thank you.